Hey everyone, Magpie back with another video on the channel, and in this video is part 2 of my hunt haul unboxing, and we are going to be unboxing 2021 Jambalaya Chimichanga. Bought Bill out, which is the one that we unboxed in the last video, link in the description already if you haven't seen that one. And also because they're almost like similar. I mean, if you look at them, let's just say that they're similar because they don't have as many dents as, for example, say, taco. So I'm going to compare these two. I know they are slightly different, but let's get on with looking at the box. So, Metal 2021. The one thing that I have to say about 2021 artwork is that it's absolutely incredible. That's why I collect the artwork. If you saw in the last video, I showed off my little card back collection that I've got. I love the art that they've done this year. Jambalaya Chimichanga. It looks really good. Every single Demolition Derby car looks amazing. And this one is no exception. As seen in Cars 3. There we go. So, let's unbox this. And I actually realised how awkward I sounded in the last video when I was unboxing them. I was kind of just like standing there in silence like, let's unbox it. And then just like not talk or anything. So I'm going to try and talk in between these unboxings just to make them a little bit more less awkward in a way, instead of just having to listen to plastic and watch me struggle to open boxes. Come on, get out. There we go. And there she is. And I've got to say, it's a very nice car. And again, like I'm going to say, you're going to hear it very repetitively in every single Thunder Hollow Demolition Derby car that I review or unbox. You're going to notice a little trend where I say, one of the things I love about the Demolition Derby cars is the texture. I should get that on a t-shirt and sell it as merch. I say it so much. Because you can actually really feel the dents, and that's no exception with this one. You can feel the dents on both sides of the doors. You can even see the dent, that one, how big cuts down compared to that side. So on one side we've got Jambalaya, and on the other side Chimichanga. I like how the wheels are all different colours as well, to match with the paint job, the spots on the paint job. I love that. That looks really good. Kind of the raised up bit. And again, similar to Bill, quite like a determined facial expression here. We are going to compare them two in a minute. And if you look at the base, this is 2021 Mattel, made in Thailand, and I believe, if I get this wrong again, please tell us in the description down below. I believe that this means it was made in the 46th week of 2020 in Factory A. Again, please correct us if I'm wrong. So let's compare her and Bill, because they're pretty similar. Well, they're not, but compared to the rest of the ones in my collection, they are. So you see that Bill's actually a lot more less damaged than Jambalaya Chimichanga. Both have that kind of determined, angry look on the face there. Yeah, Jambalaya Chimichanga is a lot more damage than what Bill is. Wheels seem to be bigger. It's a completely different car, actually. Looking at it from the side, I don't even know why I've decided to compare these two. Again, I think it's just simply because they are like the car that's the closest looking Demolition Derby wise in my collection. So I guess that's why I kind of decided to compare them. So, bit of a bad decision on my part there. But these are both made in Thailand. Thailand. Both made in Thailand. Obviously, one's 2020, one's 2021. It's a really nice car. Really nice. The texture, the colour, the design. I really like it. So that's the end of this little review on Jambalaya Chimichanga. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Again, let me know in the comments down below if I have got these little codes right. Still getting used to all this stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is part 2 of my hunt haul unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!